The narrative surrounding AI in power system protection is evolving. Early predictions suggested that AI would automate large portions of protection engineering, from settings calculations to fault analysis and event interpretation. Yet, many organizations are discovering that while AI can generate reports, summarize oscillography, and accelerate engineering workflows, it does not automatically deliver secure, dependable protection decisions. AI is an excellent tool for accelerating studies, exploring protection philosophies, reviewing settings files, and analyzing disturbance records. However, protection engineering remains fundamentally an exercise in engineering judgment, selecting zone reaches, coordinating protection elements, validating CTs and VT performance, assessing communication-assisted schemes, and understanding system behavior during abnormal conditions still require experienced engineers. Just as fault analysis relies on understanding symmetrical components, sequence networks, and system behavior during contingencies, reliable protection design depends on critical thinking rather than automated outputs. AI can help engineers evaluate more alternatives faster, but the responsibility for security, dependability, and selectivity remains human. The future of relay protection is not AI replacing protection engineers. It is protection engineers who effectively use AI delivering better studies, faster investigations, and more resilient power systems.